Back. Now it's time to look at args, and args is a parameter that will pack all arguments into a tuple, and this is useful so that a function can accept a varying amount of arguments. So not just the arguments that are defined by the function, we can pass as many as you want. So let me show you an example. Let's type here the function def, gonna be called add, and it's gonna have a parameter num1 and num2, and it's gonna return num1 plus num2. Now if I go down here and I type print add, let's put 5 and 10. Now if I run this, we get 15, but if I want to pass another value here, let's say another 10, I can't, and it says unexpected argument. And to solve this, we can delete this, we put an asterisk, this is very important, and you define a name, and this name can be anything you choose, so stuff or something. I'm gonna call it args, this is the standard, and I'm gonna go here, I'll type sum, I'm gonna define a variable, it's gonna be equal to 0, then I'm gonna type for I in args, and I'll type sum plus equals I, and then we're gonna go at the end of the loop, so here, and I'll type return sum. Now if I run this, now we have 25, so we have 10 plus 10 plus 5, 25, and now I can pass as many arguments as I want. If I run this, get 55. So this is how we can do this, but if you try to change a value from this tuple, we can't, because tuples can be changed. In order to achieve that, you need to convert your tuple to a list. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you.